The high road to Şırnak. Nihir gripped the map tightly. Sarp, are you sure this is the right road? It's so high up. Sarp pointed out the window of their jeep. Of course. This is Şırnak. See those tall, rocky peaks? We are in the mountains, ready for an adventure. Their guide, a local named Yilmaz, smiled. Those are the famous mountains of the southeast, like Kuridagi. Legend says that the Great Ark settled near here after the flood. Nihir gasped. The Ark? That means this land is ancient. Sarp loved history, but he loved hiking more. Can we climb it now? He asked, pulling on his trekking boots. Yilmaz laughed. We start with a trail near the ruins of Finnick Castle. It's a great way to see the views and learn about the past. The siblings hiked past crumbling stone walls. This castle protected the Silk Road long ago, Yilmaz explained. Nihir traced the carving on a weathered block. So many traders and travelers passed right where we are standing. After their hike, they drove down from the steep mountains toward a greener valley. This area was close to the historical town of Cizre. Look, Nihir, Sarp cried. Is that the Tigris River? Yes, the majestic Tigris, Yilmaz confirmed. They stopped to admire an old stone bridge spanning the water near Cizre. This bridge isn't just old, it's a monument to trade. Imagine carts loaded with spices and silk crossing this very spot. Later that day, they visited a workshop where a woman named Layla was weaving rugs. She used patterns and colors unique to Şırnak. Nihir watched her nimble fingers move the thread. It's like painting with wool, she whispered. Sarp, meanwhile, discovered something else outside the workshop. A hedgehog, he shouted quietly, pointing near a cluster of rocks. Şırnak is home to wild animals adapted to the dry, mountainous terrain. As the sun began to set, they climbed a small ridge to look back over the vast landscape. The steep slopes and jagged peaks of Şırnak glowed orange and pink. It was a rugged, beautiful, and unforgettable view. Nihir smiled, folding up her now crumpled map. Şırnak wasn't just high mountains, Sarp. It was history and trade and the wildest views I've ever seen. Sarp agreed. It was an ancient, adventurous place, waiting for the next traveler.